and the international community over the past 3 decades. This achievement must not be underestimated or called into question. The Dayton Peace Agreement remains the foundation of this achievement and needs to be preserved and respected by all sides. Greece will continue to support strong and effective democratic institutions in Bosnia and Herzegovina, which contribute to the country's stability, cohesion, and development. Greece remains firmly committed to the Dayton Peace Agreement and to its institutions, including the Office of the High Representative. We look forward to the designation of a new High Representative by the Peace Implementation Council with a view to concluding the remaining objectives of the 5+2 agenda. We will also continue to unequivocally support the sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence of BIH. Political actors from all sides must demonstrate sincere willingness to promote meaningful and genuine dialogue guided by mutual respect, cooperation, and adherence to the rule of law. Moving away from decisive narratives and separatist rhetoric remains essential for strengthening trust and promoting reconciliation in BIH. In the run-up to the October 2026 general elections, we urge all parties to refrain from the decisive rhetoric or incitement of animosity. We stress the importance of conducting an electoral campaign and process that is competitive, free, fair, and democratic for the benefit of the country and its peoples. Mr. President, a renewed momentum in Bosnia and Herzegovina's EU accession process, firmly anchored in meaningful and substantial reforms, must be pursued by all political leaders in the country. The European Council's March 2024 decision to open accession negotiations with Bosnia and Herzegovina marked a pivotal moment. A sustained commitment by both entities to implementing reforms and advancing the accession process remains essential. Implementation of the reform agenda under the growth plan for the Western Balkans is crucial for unlocking benefits and continuous economic and social progress. We urge all political actors in Bosnia and Herzegovina to concentrate their efforts in promoting the necessary reforms and achieving tangible results for the benefit of all its citizens. 23 years ago, the adoption of the Thessaloniki Declaration affirmed the European perspective of the Western Balkans. That commitment was renewed in April this year with the adoption of the Delphi Declaration of the European integration of the Western Balkans, highlighting that the region remains firmly committed to the irreversible path towards EU accession. It is a recognition of the promotion of democratic values, peaceful coexistence, regional cooperation, good neighborly relations, stability, and shared prosperity. In addition, EU4 Althea is a tangible demonstration of the European Union's lasting commitment to the security of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the wider region. By contributing to maintaining a safe and stable environment, building trust, and strengthening unity. Greece has actively participated in Operation EU4 Althea since its inception and remains fully committed to supporting peace and security in the broader